Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today I will be showing you how to make your very first Scratch project. Scratch is a website where you can make your own games and you can program them and share them. So you do have to have an account, like I do. If you don't have one, make one right now. Okay, now that you have a account, or if you don't, but yeah. If you don't have an account, by the way, if you make a project, it won't save, so yeah. And by the way, this is in Dutch, I'm sorry for that. I'm Dutch, so yeah. Well, it's over here. Click on this button. It says create. Click on it. Okay. Now you will probably see this and something over here. That's a tutorial. You can watch it if you want to, but you can also click it away. Now you have this sprite. All the things that you see are sprites. But we don't need this sprite, so you can click on this button. Now you have to go to over here and choose a sprite. Oh yeah, by the way, sorry for not saying it already, we're gonna make a catch game. So you're gonna be a ball, so you have to click the ball. And wait till it's load. Okay, here it is. Now, go over, you can drag it if you want to, but I like to just type it. 0, and then not 100, 125. We're also going to make the size 200 instead of 100 because else it's too small. So now we're going to start programming it. And by the way, you can also just choose your very own sprite. You can even make a sprite by going over here and then add paint, but this is just how I want it. So we're gonna go to events and drag when green flag clicked. Green flag is over here. Then we're gonna go to first we're gonna make it so it's always on this position when it starts. So we're gonna have to go to, and then it's 0, x is 0 and y is minus 125, or just whatever you want, but yeah. Then we're gonna go to control and click on forever, or drag forever and under when green flag clicked. Then we're gonna go to still on control and then have if and then nothing then. I'm gonna drag that inside forever. So now we're gonna go over to sensing and then key space pressed. We're gonna drag it over here. And then we're also into if nothing then, and then drag it over there, so that's over there. And then click on the space, and then do right arrow. And then we're gonna go to motion and say move 10 steps. So if it's good, this should happen. If you click the green flag, it's over that. Right, it's that. But if you click the left button, you won't go to the left. So you just gotta make the exact same Except you don't have to go to yes, because that's just to make it that it's spawning over there, and do exactly the same. Yeah, but then instead of right arrow, left arrow. So now, and also with motion, you're gonna have to make it not 10 steps, but minus 10 steps. So then we're gonna click this, and yes, it also starts here, so that's really good. Now, look, goes both ways. That's really good. Yeah. Okay, sorry. So yeah, that's pretty good. Now we're gonna add another sprite. So go to choose sprite, and then click on the apple. Wait for it to load, and drag it all the way to the top. This is, so yeah, we now have that. I'm also right now going to choose a background, so you have to go to stage and backdrops. Click on it, and then go to over here, and then go over here, choose a backdrop, and then you can choose whatever you want, but I'm going to do the blue sky because I like that one. And also we're going to have the apple on this. So now we're going to go to when this is clicked. We're going to go to events when green flag is clicked, drag it in, and then say we're going to go to looks, and then say hide. So now this one is hidden. But here's another. We're gonna go repeat or forever. Wait 1 second. Oh no, wait. 0.5 seconds. Where is it? Go to sorry. Where was it? Oh, here. Sorry. And then go to create clone of myself and drag it also underneath it. So now every 0.5 seconds it's gonna create a clone of himself. So now Dragon, when I start as clone, still in control. And then of course first at looks we're gonna show, and we're gonna go motion, go to, so the Y is good, but now gonna go to operators, just pick random, and then do it inside of X. Sorry, I had to find it. So you're gonna do, instead of 1, minus 220 and 220. So pick random between minus 220 and 220. So now this will happen. See? It's pretty cool. But yeah, you can't really do anything. So we're also gonna make it right now to motion, and then forever. We're also gonna drag in wait 0.1 second. Wait, no, not that one. Change y by 10. So now this will happen. Oh, oops. Sorry. Change y by minus 10. I'm very sorry. Look, now this happens. They fall down. But yeah, they now just fall right through the screen, and you can't really do anything to stop them. And you also just see a lot of random stuff at below. So we're also gonna say when I start as clone, repeat. Wait, no. Sorry. We have to, when I start as clone, not forever, but repeat until. Okay? And then we're gonna do repeat until touching, and we're gonna do ball. And when they touch ball, they're gonna delete this clone. So now this will happen. You can catch them. So that's very cool. But if they touch the ground, nothing really happens. So I'm also gonna do, this is gonna be a new one, when I start as a clone, forever, oh wait, no, sorry, I'm gonna make it a bit compact. Repeat, in the repeat until touching ball, we're gonna drag if, then, else. So, and we're gonna drag wait 0.1 seconds and change y by minus 10 in else. And if then, in the nothing, we're also gonna do touching, no, not mouse pointer, touching edge. We're gonna do delete this clone, but we're also gonna go to events and broadcast and wait. So it's message 1, but we're gonna make a new message, and we're gonna call it "You lost." So now we're gonna go over here and to the ball. We're gonna click on the ball sprite and say, and at events we're gonna drag in when I receive "You lost." We're gonna go to looks, then we're gonna hide. We're also gonna do below when green flag is clicked, show, because else it won't do anything. So delete this clone. Okay, look, now this happens. Oh, oops. Wait, huh? Oh yeah, now I see. They also touch the... Oh my god. We're gonna make this 200 and minus 200 instead of minus 220. Because now it goes like this. Look. Yay, I'm catching them. Oh no! And we just disappear. But still, it won't really do anything. So we're gonna go to backdrops, I'm gonna go to when I receive you lost. Go to backdrops right now, and I'm gonna just add another backdrop, just blue sky, and click on the T button or text. You can choose any color you want, but I'm gonna go with red. And you can choose any writing you want, but I'm just choosing sans serif, or sorry if I don't say it. Well, I'm very sorry. What I'm gonna do, you lost. You also have to click and then it comes. So look, now you have you lost. We're gonna go to looks, and then switch backdrop to blue sky 2. No, and wait. And go over to control, scroll down a bit, and stop all. Also go to events. When green flag is clicked, switch backdrop to blue sky, just blue sky, not blue sky 2. So now it looks like this if you play test it. So you catch them, and then when one touches the ground, you lost, and it ends. Well, congrats! This is your first ever Scratch project. You also have to click on save now. So saved, go over here and give it a name. I'm just doing catch apples. You can click on share, so it's shared. And look, it immediately goes to this. You can still change the name. You can tell the people how to do it. I'm just writing move with arrows, and you can just say whatever you want in the instructions. And by the way, this is still Dutch. I'm very sorry for that. Well, move with arrows. Catch apples. If a apple touches the ground, you lose. Yeah. And you can just say whatever you want over here. So yeah, you can like it, you can give a favorite, and also friends can say stuff like, wow, amazing game. Oh, sorry. Amazing game. But yeah, I don't really want it. But yeah, this is now your project. Please leave a like and subscribe. And yeah. Bye. I hope you enjoyed.